Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create a cool outline around your picture. This will only take a few steps and no hard work needed. It is really easy and simple. So first, create a new design in Canva, just like this. Now, you can upload your reference. I'll use a Canva reference, a picture of a man. You can upload your own picture in the upload section. Now, make sure to click on your image. Above you should see a little bar. Click edit. Make sure you see an option called background remover. If you don't have it, you could go to apps and then download it. Click on background remover and it will automatically remove your background. You can adjust the background in here. You can manually restore and erase some parts. So the background remover is only available for Canva Pro users. If you don't have it, you can purchase it or use a free trial. Now that our background is removed, click edit, go down and click effects. Make sure to select glow. Do not select outline. So reduce the blur amount to 0. This creates a more straight outline around our picture. And make sure to put the intensity to 100. Now you can select your colour of the outline. You can make it white or red or any colour you want. I'll make it white. Now you can drag the size to make it small or big, your choice. I'll make it 15, just like this. Now that we're done, you can make the image bigger, and just like this we have done our image. So now you can make any image with an outline and a border. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.